PAX launched the latest upgraded tire repair universal patch, which has the characteristics of super toughness, high durability, high temperature resistance, and freeze resistance, and has a longer shelf life and service life. Regardless of the puncture damage of radial or bias tires, inner tubes and all inflatable rubber can be perfectly repaired with PAX Universal Tire Patch. But how to use it? First, find the puncture hole and use a tool to pull out the nail. And choose the appropriate patch size according to the degree of damage. The patch needs to completely cover the hole. Then we can use a marker crayon to trace the edge of the patch. And here is the area that needs to repair. Afterward, use a metal buffer tool to roughen the repaired area. Then apply rubber cement to the repaired area and wait about 1 to 2 minutes for it to dry. Then peel off the back PET plastic film, align the repair area and paste. Finally, use the roller tool to roll out any air, ensuring a tighter patch fit. And we are done. Even DIY beginners can get started easily without failure. No longer have to worry about which patch to choose for your tires, because the universal tire patch can all be handled. Not only can it perfectly repair the outer tire, but it can also easily deal with inner tube damage. However, here is especially reminded that the tube is a deformable inflatable rubber, and the PET film on the upper layer of the patch must be torn off so that the patch can have better ductility and deformation when the tube is inflated. Using PAX products is more economical than buying new tires, with the same performance and safety, saving money and being environmentally friendly. With PAX, let repair has become a new trend.